Science project chapter birds, grade 3. We are making a bird nest. Yes. बर्ड नेस्ट हम पेड़ पत्ती फूल टहनियों से नहीं बल्कि वैक्स से बना रहे हैं. एक्चुअली जो नेस्ट हम बना रहे हैं वो है एक स्विफ्टलेट बर्ड का, जो अपने सलाइवा से अपना नेस्ट बनाती है और जब वो हार्डन हो जाता है तो वो कुछ वाइटिश कलर का इस तरह का दिखता है. इट इज़ यूनिक, इट इज़ डिफरेंट बिकॉज इट्स एडिबल. येस, people use the bird nest, they harvest them and then they are used to make Chinese cuisine, basically soup. ये बहुत rich high in protein रहता है and it's very expensive as well. So Delisha wanted to give a presentation of this and we made a little chart paper and printouts निकाले कुछ bird nest का. Though the printer ink was low so the prints were not that great, but we tried our best to make this. Delisha also helped me a lot while the process, and she's sticking it here. While I was doing the other things, she was learning the way how she's gonna present it, and it was fun making this with her. It was quick, and it was her idea of she chose the nest. Actually, there were different birds which she could choose, but she said, "Mama, this is very unique because it's edible and it is having a great high value." So that